a focus group. Let's go. What is good, Swag Squad? We back at it again. You know what we doing though? We on that daily vlog mode, boy. Let's get it. I'm heading out of Calabasas right now, focus and testing. I got another focus group to do. Gotta make money, right? I mean, come on now, you know, I gotta eat, I gotta survive. I'm just trying to live right now, you feels me? I got booked for this focus group taste test. I'm gonna be sampling some products, sharing my opinion on it. Whatever pays right, whatever makes those bills, you feel me? Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna be real. Only thing I love about the pandemic, no traffic. LA traffic is non-existent, yo. Oh, this is beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? It's so beautiful to see LA with no traffic.
It's so beautiful.
Absolutely no traffic. That is ridiculous. You never see that. And I'm on the 101 freeway, folks. I know, right? But then again, I'm heading west, going towards Santa Barbara, like Ventura County.
This is so beautiful. I can cry right now. The freeway looks so beautiful.
I'm going 90 miles per hour on the 101. I wish it was like this, like every day.
It's so beautiful.
Freeway dime. This is where I grew up, yo.
This is my old town. This is where it all happened.
I miss West Valley, bruh. Can't forget, I'm prepared. Gotta have those N95 masks, though. N95 dime. Here we are. Good old Calabasas focus and testing. Let's go. For the juice study, right?
The gum.
Oh, the gum, yeah. Cool, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your name, please?
David?
More kind of login, and we're gonna send you the link today or tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. I got my product now. So it's gum. I thought it was juice. I filled out a bunch of those screeners. There's a beverage one, a juice one, like a coffee one, an energy drink one. This is chewing gum. Instructions. And they're gonna email me later with my username and password and the link that I gotta log into. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. I just gotta log in, do the study, and this is the product I'll be sampling. They said not to open it yet. I gotta log in tomorrow, and then that's when I open it. They gotta watch me chew it, make sure I'm not like tampering with it or whatever. Just give you a little ID number. And here is the gum. I'm gonna be chewing some gum, and they pay 50 bucks. So they give you crackers. When you sample 3 different products, you gotta take a bite of cracker and a sip of water in between each product. And just for cleaning your palate, you know, you get a fresh taste every time. Yeah, so. Heading out to Ralph's. I'm gonna get some more keto groceries. We're on that keto diet. Get more grass-fed beef, organic grass-fed butter, heavy whipping cream, unrefined and unpressed virgin coconut oil. Okay, I don't want no hoe. I want a virgin coconut oil. We on that keto diet though. Here to the Ralph's. Some almond milk and some grass-fed butter.
System processing pad. Remember to take your receipt. Thank you.
100% grass-fed butter, perfect for bulletproof coffee, and some heavy whipping cream. I got a whole tub of coconut oil at home still, so. So yeah, folks. So that's what focus groups are. Market research firms. They connect with their clients, certain companies, certain brands. They're looking for a sample of people, certain demographic. They invite you in, you sample some product, talk about a service, you just share your opinion. They pay you for it. They pay you for your time. I've been doing a lot of these focus groups lately. You know, you just gotta grind. You gotta have all different streams of income. It's just another side hustle. A lot of my actor friends do focus groups as well. I've been doing plenty of focus groups during this pandemic. I've done a few background work here and there, had a few auditions. For the most part, I've been doing hella focus groups. In-person ones, taste tests, as well as on Zoom. I log into Zoom and then we have like a group panel discussion through Zoom. They just PayPal the money. That's the grind right now, folks. But yeah, if you want to get involved with focus groups, it's a nice little side hustle. Like, you can still do what you do. You have any free time. Every time they book you for a study, they always ask you first, like, are you available this date at this time? And it's up to you. You can turn it down. You can say no. It's a nice little side hustle to do. All the market research firms in Los Angeles, all in the description box. FocusPointGlobal.com, FocusInTesting.com, PlazaResearch.com, Century City, right by the LAX airport, Atkins Research in Hollywood, Davis Research here in Calabasas, actually right across the street, Opinions Ltd, the Topanga Mall, Facts and Figures, Orange County, Irvine, Fieldworks.com, the online ones. These are all in Los Angeles, but there's branches everywhere. All these companies, just check out their website, see if there's a branch near your location. Because I know Plaza Research, I know there's one in Houston, I believe, there's one in Dallas, Orlando. The Plaza Research is pretty big. There's a Plaza Research pretty much every major city. So all those websites below, go on the website and just check to see if there's a location near you. And the online ones, user interviews, UIResearch.com, surveys2go.com. If there's any more that I can think of, I'll just leave it in the comment box. Leave a comment below what city you're from. I'll reply to your comment to let you know if any of these market research firms are available in your area. But yeah, folks, get on that focus group grind. You know, it's easy money. You sign up, it's free to sign up. They invite you to go to the study. You share your opinion. They pay you cash, just like that. Focus group grinding, folks. It's a nice little side hustle. An extra $500 to $1,000 a month. Thank you guys for watching. I'm at 16.8. I've been hella consistent this past week. Literally been posting every day this past week. We got over 600 subscribers just this week alone. I love you guys. I appreciate it. That really means a lot to me. So let's shoot for that 20K, yo. Thank you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, share this video. If you got any friends who want to make some side hustle money, some extra income, and they're interested in some focus groups, just share this video, let them know about all these market research firms. It's all listed in the description box. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. See you on the next one. Shit. Peace.